Yes, so the new Disney Princess Cookbook takes our favorite Disney princess and they serve a dish for each of them. So, for example, you will learn how to make eggs. You also discuss how meatloaf can be made and so on. And I think it's a very nice book because they added a lot of illustrations and a lot of very nice pictures as well. What I love about it is that it's also very simple recipes, so you can actually create them with your kids without having to stress about difficult ingredients or things that are hard to prepare. So they really paid attention to their target audience, and you're able to use it with your child as well. And they have added several types of dishes, so from breakfast, lunch to dinner, also smaller sides or snacks, and so on. And they even have beverages. So I think it's a very diverse book. I just think it's a very good gift idea as well. For example, for Christmas or during the December month, if you want to give a gift to your child or a family member with a child, I think it's a very nice gift. And illustrations also add a lot of value to it. You can get a great offer for it with the link in the description, and I wish you a great day as well.